up, Bush?
Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Homeowner's Handyman Show. I'm Mrs. Homeowner.
And I'm Mr. Homeowner.
We bought our first house 15 years ago. Our journey began with refinishing our hardwood floors. A project that should have cost us $4,000 cost us $300 to do ourselves. And since then, we've done many more DIY and have saved a lot of money in doing so.
We'll start with the basics of tools to building a barn and everything in between. Our goal is to take you from buying a house to becoming a homeowner.
Laying out where the building's gonna go. Got some logs. Cleared all these trees. Burning a wood pile over there. There's Kurt, hard at work. Figuring out where to put it all. Got the tree. Here it goes. Hi, tree. Oh, maybe we should buy one of those. Hey everybody, I just wanted to share that we are moving on to the next phase of project. We need to name this project. Project Pool Barn sounds too boring, but Project Pool Barn it'll be right now.
Scrambled eggs for now.
Yeah, scrambled eggs, because yeah, we're kind of just throwing it together as we go. But I was at work all day, just got home. Kurt has rented this skid loader and got a ton of work done. That's our driveway behind us, so it's going to be extending up now and all the way over to the area that he has cleared. So he just came out here with the transit to check, because this is all eyeballed. Oh, walking backwards, recording myself. Great idea, right? What you doing, babe?
Setting the transit. I know where to.
What's a transit?
It's like a big level. So that laser over there gives me a reference point. And this is where I want my stone to be. So from here, I want to go. See, I got about 3-4 inches right there, and that's what I want. You know, got the low spot. I gotta be on stone. I gotta put it right there. So, what I wanted to do is this.
Are you marking it on there so you can see about how?
right there. Do you got a marker?
That's how much stone we gotta put in there. One. That's not too bad. What's that? Still a foot. A foot of stone. Might be going and getting that dirt down at the end of the road and loading up here. What's this? That's a foot and a half.
I think we probably should.
Well, yeah.
Or it's gonna be a lot more money.
For sure. Yeah, I gotta go get some. I'm gonna have to find some dirt, maybe. I'm gonna have to bring it up because this is what's this? 2 feet? 2 feet on the button. That's a lot. I was figuring raising this up 8 inches back here, but also 8 inches for 40 feet. So that's up to here. Yeah, it's about 8 inches. That's what I was figuring. And then whatever, the rest of this is 3-4 inches.
So yeah, Kurt got a lot done while I was gone at work this weekend. He rented the skid loader and he's got the area cleared. He was eyeballing it, so it's not quite level and where we want it to be for the amount of stone that we feel comfortable purchasing. So now we got to scope out the rest of our property for some dirt to steal and move, raise it up, because he was just measuring it out and it is still could be up at least another 6 inches. We're going to take this day by day and we're happy that you're here to do it with us. So this is a big DIY project. Stay tuned. Let's hope we get it done fast.
I'm just flipping the pieces.
John, what do you think of your giant pancake? Is it good? Matthew, what do you think of your giant pancake?
Good.